Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen, and today I'm working on my fairy garden number 2, and all supplies used here are from Dollar Tree except for the styrofoam, which I used from recycling from one of my packages. So I somehow lost part of my footage, and it didn't show me layering in the grass that I used from Dollar Tree, but I basically just built in some mounds and created different heights in the bucket, and I apologize for that. I don't know what happened. I guess I didn't press record when I was doing it, but you'll see how it came out. I also used more of the Dollar Tree moss rocks to give it more lift. Okay guys, here is my third fairy garden, and I have 3 fairies with the purple house, and it has a lamp post, and I made a little platform to put our tables and chairs, and I glued it onto the platform. And I made a little garden for our fairies, and I just pulled off a few of the little buds from the lilacs and the actually I kept saying lilacs, they're lavenders. So I just pulled a few stems off and pulled the flowers off of there. And I also have a little birdhouse. There's our little fairy with the flowers. And here's the other holding the bird right near the birdhouse. And I used my long stem yellow flowers from Dollar Tree. Everything is from Dollar Tree, guys. And I used that. I put some the copper fairy lights that I hauled a while back. It's just this one. And this one has 12 lights on it, so. And I just strung it through the garden so it would make little arches. And I used hot glue just to hold them in place because they won't just stay where I want them to. And you can see the little wire copper arch, and I hot glued it here, and I hot glued it here so it's not so obvious, and that's it. Oh, and on the back I used more of the greenery to cover up the holes. You can still see some, but you're not going to see the back. And then the battery, I just hot glued it to the tin can because it can come off really easily when I want to change all of this again. And then I stuck some of the flowers right into the styrofoam on the moss rocks that I had, just to add more, you know, flowers in our background. And there is our fairy garden, and I think this is my favorite of all my fairy gardens. So there's the yellow, and it kind of creates the arch, like a little shelter for our fairies. And it's hard to tell from this point of view, but there you go. So it arches over the top of our garden, and our little home is nice and cozy with the fairy lights. I just want to show you what it looks like without the lights. And that's what it looks like. It is a big difference because now you can see what is in our garden. So I hope you guys like this video, and please give it a thumbs up and help my little channel grow. And hit the notification so you know when I post another video. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.